Hi, welcome to English 2311, Technical Writing Online. I'm your instructor, Dr. Rochelle Gregory, and welcome to the class. Over the course of the next 15 weeks, we'll be covering a lot of topics in relation to technical writing. And in order to make the content a bit more accessible and meaningful for you, we'll be offering some videos over the course of the semester to help supplement the readings. For the first 4 weeks, I'll be producing the videos for you. After the first 4 weeks, then you're going to be writing and submitting your own videos for review. So let's get started. First, a couple of things about the chapter. Chapter 1 really covers the differences between work writing and writing. There's a couple of points that you want to keep in mind when you're reviewing the chapter. You want to think about how the audiences, the purposes, and the topics are often very different for writing for the workforce. Primarily, students are often accustomed to writing for academic audiences. They're used to writing literary analysis, they're used to writing explications of poetry, but they're often unfamiliar with writing business or technical documents for an unfamiliar audience. And so a lot of times they struggle in this class making that shift. So what you want to think about as you're producing your documents is writing that is concise, specific, and clear. And that's really sometimes a challenge for students. Writing documents that are often both concise, meaning that they don't have any extra flourishes, they're direct, they're to the point, but being specific at the same time is often a challenge. Students sometimes will get frustrated with me when I say in their papers, you need to cut excess words, but then elaborate a little bit more. And so what does that mean? Well, typically it means you want to cut excess words, you want to say things as concisely as possible, in as few words as possible, but you want to be as specific as you can. That means offering examples and illustrations to prove your points, but saying it in a way that uses as few words as possible. Because if you keep in mind your audiences for technical writing, your audiences aren't coming to your prose really reading it because they're excited about it. Usually your readers are lazy and they're tired, and they're usually coming to your document because it's a last resort. They are looking for information. They're not looking to be entertained or enlightened. And when you keep that in mind, it changes how you organize the document, it changes how you develop it, and it changes the wording that you use. So you want to keep your audiences, the purpose that you're writing for, and the topics in mind when you're producing technical documents. If you have any questions about Chapter 1 and the assignments, feel free to email me, send me a message on Canvas, or even text message me with the number that's in the syllabus. So hopefully you enjoyed this little video that